Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you I'm gonna have a gameplay that involves MCPA. So I'm gonna show you the feature, fuck it. So yes, so you can change skin in here and you just have to, if you have skin uploaded in there, just yes, you have. Good thing though. Select model, we should go in here, yes. Sorry for that skin. It's not my maid though. Maybe it's my maid. So yes. Yes. No. 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 Yes. No. Yes. So the good thing is you have boat that can paddle. See, there's a boat. Fucking boat. There. So you can board in here and do paddle. Fuck it. No, let's just leave the boat, the fucking boat, and then you can go fishing. Fish. Yes. And you'll get the fish. It's different kind of fish. So I'm gonna skip. And you're gonna have this fucking annoying squid. That's right. I hate fish. I hate see. Wait. As can you see it's an ink that really I don't care about your ink, sir. And the last but not the least, there's a 3 eggs. Um there 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 there's shit. The egg is not in the creative mode bar. So yes, I hope they just put in the creative bar. And the egg is gas, blaze, and magma co- magma cube. So hopefully you enjoy guys, and please subscribe.